Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to configure your VPS server, install Control Panel for free, install WordPress or any other website and install SSL certificate, so keep watching. VPS server can be tricky to set up if you are not familiar with hosting services. Today I want to show you how you can get VPS for as low as €4 per month with Control Panel. Yes, you heard it right. You get fully configured VPS with Webmin panel for just €4. And wait to see what computer resources you will get for that price. It will blow your mind away. So don't waste any more time, let's go buy that VPS. First, what you have to do is go to Contabo website where you will find their shop. Link is in description. And just let me tell you something real quick. I want to tell you, if you sign up through my links, I will get some commission. And if you want to support me, I would really appreciate if you use my links. Even if you already have VPS, go and check out Contabo products. You will definitely find something for you. So thank you a lot if you do that. Here you will find shared hosting, VPS and dedicated servers. There are 7 options to choose VPS. On the left you will find HDD servers and on the right SSD servers. What you will choose, it really depends what you need. I personally would go with SSD storage and more cores. Here you will find additional information about each package. I highly recommend buying any of SSD based servers. In my opinion, that is the best buy option, but since this is just tutorial, I will buy a €5 VPS. Okay, let's customize it. Here is a reminder what we selected. Just for comparison, at famous GoDaddy register, you would pay £45 for the same package, excluding tax. Anyway, moving on. We get a free DDoS protection with each package. Other options? We don't need any of these at the moment. Choose CentOS 7 as your operating system. No Windows. Thanks. Here just select LAMP checkbox. Yes, we will install Webmin panel, but don't select it here because it will interfere later on. If you want additional backup storage, you can choose. I don't need it. And choose a length of term. As you can see, for 12 months setup fee is €0. I will choose just 1 month for this tutorial, but you can choose whatever you want. And click order now. You can register new domain, but I won't. Here you will fill your personal information. I will skip that part. And here you will enter your payment information. After you are done, scroll down and you have an option to add a note. But if you enter something, it will delay processing an order. Last step is to check these boxes and click Submit Order. Now, finish your payment and that would be it. You will receive your login credentials at your email address. But keep in mind it takes about a half an hour to receive an email. So while we wait, let's set up everything else. To connect to our server, we have to use SSH protocol. I assume you are on Windows, so in order to connect to VPS, you will have to use SSH client. Putty is a free SSH client for Windows. Link is in the description. Open the link and download the corresponding version for your machine. I'm using Windows 64-bit, so I will download this version. Once you downloaded a Putty, go and install it. I already have a Putty installed, so I will skip that step. Next step is to buy a domain if you already don't have one. I'm gonna use NameCheap to buy a domain. Let's say contabovps.club. Okay, it's available. Later I will show you how to install Let's Encrypt SSL. It's super easy. Great. Now we have a domain. If you have received login credentials from Contabo at your email address, next step is to set up your VPS. Open Putty, open your email with login data and copy this IP address. Paste it here. Now click Connect. Good. Login as root and your password is this password. Copy and paste it here. To paste here, hold Ctrl key and right click. Excellent! Now we are logged in. Next step is to install Webmin panel, but with Virtualmin. Virtualmin is used to control your domains. Go to this website. Link is in description. Now, copy and paste this command. Hit enter. Now go and copy this command as well, with or without sudo since you are root. Confirm by typing Y and press enter. Now relax and let the Virtualmin installer finish. I will speed up this part. If you get any errors, just try again, but there is no reason for installation to fail if you just followed my directions. Great! Installation is finished. Here's your address for login. Login by following this URL address or use your server IP. Copy your server IP, add https:// add port 10,000. Bypass this warning. Your login name is root and password is the same as the one we use to connect via SSH. And here you go. For the first time, there is a setup guide. I will not go into too much details, so I will speed up this section. All questions are pretty much self-explanatory. If you don't know what to choose, just leave it as default. Also, there are some updates that need to be installed. Before going further, install all updates and reboot server if required. By navigating to dashboard, usage of server's resources is shown in real time. At left sidebar, there are other options. This is too much to explain in this video, so you are free to explore them by yourself. Next step is to add a domain you purchased. Navigate to Virtualmin dashboard. Click Create Virtual Server. Now, as your domain name, type domain you want to attach. Down here, type your password. No need to attach advanced options and IP address and forwarding. Under Enable Features, check Setup SSL Website 2 checkbox if you want to set up SSL, which I will show you how to do in a minute. And click Create Server. Moving on to the domain register website, I'm using NameCheap, but if you are using other domain register, procedure should be similar. Click Domain List, choose your domain, and on the right side click Manage. Under Name Servers, you will find three options. Click Custom DNS and type ns1.contabo.net as your first name server and ns2.contabo.net as your second name server. These are default Contabo name servers. Confirm by pressing green checkmark. In the top right corner, log in at contabo.com and navigate to DNS Zone Management. Type in your domain name and select your target IP address, which is your server IP. Click Create Zone. And there you go. We just connected domain to our VPS. But guys, keep in mind that it takes up to 48 hours for name servers to propagate, so your site won't be accessible through domain name during that period. But it is accessible if you go to Preview website under Services. There's no actually any content here, so let's add something. To add content to your website, go to File Manager and navigate to your domain/public HTML. In the top right corner, click File, Upload to current directory. Now select your files one by one or as a group. I will create a folder for my images. Also, if you prefer FileZilla, you can use it as well. And that will be it. So let's go check it out. By the way guys, I built this website from zero and it is free to use. Let me know if you like it and I will share my GitHub link so you can download it. This concludes uploading custom websites. Now I will show you how to set up WordPress. So let's delete this and install WordPress. Click Install Scripts. Now select WordPress and click Show Install Options. Install subdirectory under, select at the top level. Now click Preview Website under Services. Choose Language and click Continue. Type website title, username, password and email address. Last step is to click Install WordPress. Now WordPress is installed and you can log in, but don't do it here. Go to your website URL like contabovps.club/vp-admin and log in now. I'm gonna change default theme. I don't want my site to be empty and Astra theme provides an option to import demo content. That's why I picked this theme. To import demo content, add Astra Starter Sites plugin. Choose your page builder. I prefer Elementor. And pick a demo content you like. I think this dog is cute, so I will import this template. Astra plugin is going to install additional plugins required by this template and just click Import Site. Now wait a couple of minutes and your site doesn't look boring anymore. Let's check it out. I really like it. If we look closer, Chrome is showing that our connection to website isn't secure. To fix that, we need to install SSL certificate. Easiest way to get a green padlock is to install Let's Encrypt SSL, which is free as well. Go to Virtualmin panel and under Server Configuration, click SSL certificate and choose Let's Encrypt tab. Here you can control which domains will request a certificate. Even though Let's Encrypt SSL certificate expires every 3 months, you should set automatic renewal period to 2 months in case something goes wrong, so you have time to fix it. And now click Request Certificate. How easy was that? If we try to browse the site over HTTPS, a green padlock is shown and it says we have a secure connection. To convert entire site to HTTPS, install and activate really simple SSL plugin. Now click Activate SSL. So that would be it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Please like this video and share it with your friends because, as you know, sharing is caring. I hope you found something interesting in Contabo webshop. I will leave this website live for some time and you can check it out. Thank you for watching and big love. Kissy kissy!